How to use Time Doctor 2. So, for a short explanation, this is just a time tracking and productivity monitoring tool that is used by companies to track employee work hours, task, and activity levels. It records time spent on the projects that you have, monitors apps, and even website usage. This can generate reports that show productivity and work patterns for teams and managers. And finally, the platform helps organizations understand how time is spent during work hours and pretty much improve the overall efficiency of your team. So if you want to go ahead and explore more of that, there's product over here where you can take a look at the features, integrations, solutions, including use cases, industry, workforce, and finally resources, which is most likely where you'll be able to learn mostly how to use these features and pricing, since Time Doctor does have a subscription, but to use it you're gonna have to create an account or join your company workplace. So you're gonna install the desktop or mobile app if you have, but you should be able to do that in the website still. So after logging in, you can select the project or task that you are working on and click start timer to begin tracking your time. While the timer is running, the software pretty much records activity such as apps or website use as many capture periodic screenshots depending on company settings. When you finish a task, you can simply stop the timer and the track hours will appear in reports where you or your manager can review productivity, work logs, and the time summaries. But that's the general idea on how Time Doctor works. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.